So in this video, I will show you how you can get this type of anime look renders with the help of Blender. So what you have to do is you need two planes and one animation. So you can see there, one plane is for your background and the second one is for your reflections. First, you need an animation. So in this one, you can see I have this type of animation. You can get this animation from my website. If you just go to this website, I will put the link in the description. You have to just click on explore, and then in this one you will get an animation library one. You have to just click on that and you will see so many options. Wherever you see this free text, it means that animation was free, and the rest of them are kind of paid one, and it is very cheap. Now we have to think about the background. So the background is just an image. You can just go to Google. You can also generate any kind of anime type background, or you can just find some good or cool looking images. So you just have to put the images on the background. You have to just connect your image to principal BSDF, and in this one just connect this thing to emission. So we have this image, and for the ground one you just have to create a new material and make this thing black and increase the metallic value to 1, roughness to 0, IOR to 1.33, because we want to make this thing look like a water. That's why we are changing the settings. And then if you go to the render view, you can see that we have some sort of anime looking. Right now this is not looking anime like. The background is looking anime because it's just an image, but the character is not looking like anime. What we have to do, we have to add an outline. So how you will get the outline? If I just go to my layout section, then in this one you have to just click on your character, Shift A, then you will get an option of grease pencil. You have to click on the object line art. When you click on this one, you will get this line art option, and you will get this type of outline options. You can just change the settings if you want, line thickness there, and if you go to this option, then you can also increase or decrease your opacity, and you will get your outline. After that, you can bake your line art, bake all. If you click on this one, it will bake all the lines of this character. You will see there we are not having any kind of line, water ripples or anything like that. So I add everything, those type of water ripples and all kind of flares and everything in the compositing. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I think this will help you. Thank you for watching.